We're talking about computer science and the study of algorithms.
Imagine if a student's pen could become a camera and capture audio and video. Imagine if cloud computing created more opportunities for learning and cost less.
Some of you, this is probably the first time you've been inside virtual world, so.
Hi, I'm Raul Ramos, and I'm coming at you from Puerto Rico.
Imagine if students from anywhere in the world could have access to the same technologies that power interactive 3D games to attend class in a virtual world.
Students and faculty and researchers can more easily collaborate across the world.
St. Paul College is a leader in the virtual world community.
Follow me in here. You want to go into Minskew Island?
Our big project is something called Mixed Immersive Reality Teaching and Learning. In this platform, we use streaming video to mix real experience over a video stream and an immersive world.
These incidentally are all what we call virtual machines. The idea is that these are kind of imaginary computers running in each of these windows, even though there's just one real computer behind it all.
Students can attend class in person or from anywhere in the world, represented by an avatar.
An avatar is supposed to be a virtual representation of yourself, something to better immerse yourself into this virtual world, something you can connect with.
Evan Smith is the graphic designer for what is called Project Wonderland, applying what he's learned as a student at St. Paul College.
Right now I'm building the terrain that the building is setting on.
Project Wonderland is built on Sun Microsystems technology.
It's a tool set, essentially, that's open source software distributed freely by Sun Microsystems that is very secure.
Sun also offers a secure environment for the Minnesota State Colleges and Universities system-wide area network through its thin client cloud computing model. Two forms of authentication are required to log into the Sun system: a smart card and a user password. Thin client computing provides the ability to connect to the server without a hard drive. The thin client terminal presents a picture of what the user is doing, but all the computing is done on the main server.
One of the nice things is if I'm working on a piece of code, I can just pull my card out and walk over to Denise's cube, and she'll see my computer screen as if we were sitting in my cube.
There's no local operating systems, there are no local hard drives, everything's run off a server. They're less expensive to run and operate.
Sun is considered to be greener computing technology.
Well, are we talking about green like this? Or are we talking about green like the trees, or both?
For example, the typical power consumption of a Sunray 2 client is 4 watts. Compare this to PCs, which operate on 80 watts or more.
The power usage and the footprint on the environment is much lighter.
And it really has saved us in terms of buying computers over and over again and software over and over again.
So now, using our Sun backbone, we're going to have netbooks displace textbooks. And over the next 2 years, we will eliminate all textbooks from our curriculum. We're going to cut our students' cost of education by 25%. I think that's good for everybody.
These web-based technologies are built on Sun's Java platform. Java programmers are in high demand in the business world, with starting salaries averaging between $55,000 and $90,000 per year. Lance Dolan, at age 23, is a Java developer at the Minnesota Department of Transportation.
I'm just having fun and getting paid for it because, you know, my fun becomes valuable to someone else because of my education here.
I want them to win. Win means get a job. And I think that utilizing these technologies to give my students the edge is something that's a no-brainer to me. I'm doing it.
Imagine if cloud computing created more opportunities for learning and cost less. Imagine if students could network in a virtual environment to design a solution to a problem. Imagine if all the needed tools were at their virtual fingertips. Imagination becomes reality with the vision of the Minnesota State Colleges and Universities Information Technology Services.